Okay, here is the changes I think you want me to do. Refrigerator back over here. Panels on either side of the refrigerator. Crown molding returns against this wall here. Here's the other panel. This is a pull-out trash, a double pull-out trash with a drawer on top. This is actually a cabinet that I had a kind of a odd space left of 7.5 inches after I put this cabinet in. When you open the door, you can put cookie sheets in here on a vertical. Another option is I could put cubby holes for wine bottles if you want to do that. Wall cabinet here, under cabinet molding, under the wall cabinet. I moved the farmer's sink out for now and put in a regular sink in the sink base cabinet that is 36 inches wide. Here's a dishwasher. This is a panel, 30 wide stove, bank of 4 drawers, pantry with roll-out trays, microwave, wall cabinet, wall cabinet. Island is no longer as the cooktop. Bank of 3 drawers, bank of 3 drawers. Pull out pantry, bank of 2 doors. Because we moved the refrigerator over here, I slid the island back here and had to minimize the size of this coffee area to the original size. Let's try that again. So we're back over here. So this is the original size, not the larger size we talked about on Saturday. Then we have the seating bench. I haven't put the leg in yet over here. I've kept the panel over here so you don't see the chair as much on the island.